This is an arithmetic progression problem. They say which term of the arithmetic progression where you have 2, 5, 8 is 44. So which term is 44? That is what the question is all about. So now let's begin. Now we have 2, 5, 8. Now they say which term is what? 44. So now we have the first term. Now let's apply the formula for arithmetic progression. So the formula for arithmetic progression, the n term of an arithmetic progression is a plus bracket open n minus 1 times what? D. Now what is our a? The first term a is equal to 2, which is the first term a, 2. Then now let's look for d. Since this is arithmetic progression, d is equal to the second term minus the first term, or the third term minus the second term. So if you look at it now, the second term is 5. Second term is what? 5 minus 2 is 3. Now the third term is 8 minus 5, which is what? Also 3. So the common difference is 3. Now let's apply that to get the term where you have the value 44. So now you now say the n term is equal to a plus n minus 1 times t is equal to what? 44. So at what is the value of n when the term is equal? What is the term when the value is 44? So now you have a to be equal to what? 2. So we now substitute 2 here. Let me just write it like this. Here is now 2 plus our d is 3 times 3 is equal to what? 44. So now we now have 2 plus, say, 3 times n minus 1 is equal to 44. So you have 2 plus 3 times n, you have 3n. 3 times minus 1, you have minus 3. So now this will now be 3n. So bringing the like term, you have 3n. This is plus, because there's an imaginary plus here, plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 44. So now you have 3n. Now you have plus 2 minus 3 will give you minus 1 equal to 44. If I move this minus 1 to this other side, I have 3n is equal to 44 plus 1. This will give us what? 45. So 3n is equal to what? 45. So what we're going to do, if we divide both sides by 3, here we'll have n is equal to 3 here, 1, 3 here is 15. So n is equal to what? 15. So the nth term is 15. So at the 15th term, you have the value 44. So that is the final answer. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day.